Hello guys, how are you guys? Welcome to Master GIT. So Master GIT, okay. Sorry to say Master GIT Solo. Master GIT Solo is my company, it's the name of my company. But welcome to Master GIT YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the new game that I want to try. It's called African. You will see it's an African game. It's a very good game. Like I was playing it, just testing it with just a low bet. I didn't win, but the most important part, what I have seen the potential of the game that I can make a lot. Just watch and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this game. So I think this game, it can be the good game. We can get a lot of money. The game, I found it, or I was somebody suggested it that I should play it here on YouTube channel. And then thank you guys for watching, and then for also suggesting the game and for subscribing. If you are a new member, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go straight to the game. Hello guys, how are you guys? Someone referred me to play this game called African Million. I didn't know about this game. So I found a lot of fun because it's easy play or you can use normal stuff. I'm not playing about some fun. So what I'm going to do guys, if you're not first time playing this game, I just want to do the disclaimer. I have deposited 50 rand in the shop. We are going to play it later on. If we can improve to get higher amount, then which means I can increase the stake, I can increase, say to 2 rand. But let's see if we can make something out of this. Let's see how this, we are just exploring this game. Let's see if we can make something on this game. I would love to play on 4. I will do a 50 spin, just 50 rand. The song, I think it might give me some issue guys based on the way it is there. Seems like, okay, the game, it seems like it have potential so far, but I'm not really sure yet. Let's see what, okay, just want to see what will happen on this game. Scatters, okay. Gold, oh, jackpot, oh, there's a jackpot there. Many things are happening in this game. Okay, scatter, okay. Things are changing, guys. The volume is the problem, like it's too much, like, and I can't change it here. Don't know how to. Okay, listen, can we go with something here? Can we get, okay, this might be big, guys. I don't know, but it sounds like it's a big win. This is a big win, guys. It's a nice. 24 win. I will also switch off the volume. I'm just loving the game, but as you can see, guys, it seems like as we can get something. You know what? After this spins, guys, I'm going to take it to 100, because what if something big can happen here? We don't want to miss that. Okay, scatter again. I mean, we are left with 4. I think this is a good game. What do you think, guys, about this game? I think it's a good game according to me. So I'm taking it to 1 rand. We are doing 50 again. Let's let's hope for the big win. Okay, all right, okay. This is something. That's something. 9 rand, something. Can we get this scatter? I just want to see this scatter, how it works. The scatter. Okay. Changes. Okay, this is a nice game, guys. Please try this game also. And thank God the person who suggested it. I think according to me when I see it, oh, it looks so nice. Like I think that it have a potential. African millions. Okay. These have a huge potential. According to me, what do you think about this game? Maybe you guys you know a lot about this game. Maybe you have tried it before. Let me know the disadvantage and advantage of this game if you know some. All right. Oh, okay, guys. This might be big. This might be big. This might be big. Okay, 12 franc. I thought maybe these zebras they are going to pay a lot, but at least what did we need it there? Just that I have to know how to increase or I mean the decrease the sound, because I prefer playing while I'm playing the games, playing also the sound. You see. So should I will just give it my own sound? What do you think? I can do that. I'm capable of that. All right. They should be in the right position. Okay, guys, I'm loving the game. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about this game, African Millions. It's a good game. Lot of star. Just imagine. Okay. All right. I just want to. Can we get the bonus? Lot of star. Give us the bonus. Give us the bonus. Give us the bonus. We need this bonus. Scatters. There are so many things happening in this game, guys. So many things. Okay, but it won't do anything. The zebra blocked us there. Just oh, okay, that's a wow. Okay, all right, guys. This is a nice game. This is a nice game, guys. Even although it's not, some many things are happening here. All right, okay, guys. We are still. I'm still gonna do 50 or 50. All right, let's see what will happen here. I just wish we can get this scatter now, guys. Okay. Seems like it's not easy to get the scatter, but let's see what is going to happen. All right. Well, scatters, where are you guys? Where are those scatters? Where are the scatters? Free games. Can we get them? One. Okay, it's not easy. Oh, it's not really easy, but let's see. Okay. The other one is wild. The other one is this looks like the same. Let me check. Okay, there is wild and jackpot. Oh, okay. What is jackpot? I mean that we need three, I guess, for the jackpot. Oh, okay. Why it's not changing there? I thought maybe it can change for something. All right, guys, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Okay, scatter, come on, scatter. Okay, scatter, we want you. We want the scatter here. Can we get something decent, guys, on this game? Okay, but I'm loving the game, guys. I think I have to come massively in this game. What do you think? Yeah, I think I have to bet with a very serious amount. Okay, all right. Yeah, the scatter is difficult, guys, to get. It's getting difficult to get the scatter here in this game. is very difficult to get the scatter. But I'm going to come back to this game if I don't win now, guys. If something don't happen, I'm going to come back to this game. I will come back. But the people speaking at the back there, that's why I'm switching off. Okay. Let's see. Nothing will happen anymore here, guys. All right. Okay, guys. I've played this game. To be honest, I think it's a good game. It have huge chances. Just imagine here when we are playing with 1 rand, it's in the slot pot. It's going to be 20k. Then if we increase it to 2 rand, the slot pot is going to be 40. Imagine if we are playing with 3 rand, it's going to be 60 rand. So maybe the slot pot, I think it means this jackpot. If we can get this jackpot with rand, we can manage to get 60 rand. So it's a good game. I'm loving this game. I'm going to try it, guys, very soon. And thank you for suggesting this game. And then yeah, we'll try it. I'm going to make sure I play it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.